But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there.
Hello. So today we're actually going to be doing some plane spotting. We are driving actually on the way to the famed Shell in C5. So we'll see how it goes.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
So today we're up early. It is almost 8 in the morning and we are on our way to Ortigas for a meeting that we have to attend. And then after that, we'll see how the day goes. It's been a few days since the last vlog. I didn't get to continue to vlog that day because the car just overheated like crazy, as you might have seen in my IG stories. If you wanna keep up with that kind of stuff, my IG link is down below. But anyway, today the car is still overheating, but the difference is we have baon water. So that's good. So we're here in Festival Mall. We're waiting for the bebe. She's actually on the way here now. Shout out to Kuya, naglilinis sa likod. There's something wrong with the battery for iPad. I think it's like heating up. Since it's still under warranty, I think Power Mac's just gonna replace it altogether. And then after that, we're going to work together. I think the plan is we're gonna work around here lang. But I kinda wanna work in Westgate because it's more quiet there. Okay, so we just got back from our run and we have a package. Let's open it. Hulaan nyo kung ano to. So today we got a new mic. So today we got a new mic. May tumatawag. Wait lang. I'll remove you from my AirPods. Say hi to the vlog. I was vlogging. Okay, you watch me finish the vlog. Nahiya tuloy ako bigla. Okay, so buksan na natin to. So this is the... Uy, my God, nahulog. This is the Boya BY MM1. This is the mic itself. Shock mount. Hindi na naman nag-focus. Yaman na. So this is ready to go on top of the camera. Okay, so we're ready to plug it na. You'll be able to hear it before I do. So comment down below if it sounds any better or it's the same lang. But anyway, let's plug it. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Yan. Mic test 1, 2. Is it any better or Actually, I don't really know what to say, so let's just watch the next few clips if it sounds good or not. This voiceover is being recorded using the new mic, the Boya BY-MM1. They should really work on that naming. It's plugged directly into my iPad and is being recorded through the voice memo app. So, here we are. One of those afternoons where I decided to be productive, so we headed to the local Starbucks. I mostly did research on color grading, but I also plotted out my calendar as well as checked my emails if there's anything important there. And good morning! So for the next few days, we are on Kuya duties. So we just brought my sister to school, and then later in the afternoon, we'll be bringing my brother to fencing training. But for now, while waiting, we'll go to Starbucks. So we're back home. We got my sister from school already. There's been a slight change of plans. So my brother and I are not gonna go to fencing training anymore because we need to buy school supplies from the mall. So we're gonna do that after we eat. So we're here again in my sister's school. Day 2 out of 3 of the Kuya Duties series. I need coffee. So we're here in the valley. It's very windy actually, but I doubt you could hear that. Anyway, last night I wasn't able to sleep well kasi nasira yung aircon ko, so sobrang init. Now I'm so sleepy, so we're gonna go and get coffee and pick up coffee. Hello po! Ito ba yan?
Sir
For Carlos.
Ito po sir, white mocha extra shot, oat
Okay.
milk.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you sir.
So we got the little sister. Are you little?
No,
You're not little anymore?
I'm 7.
You're 7. So that's why you're so heavy.
I'm too big.
So we got the little big sister. Is that correct? Okay, we got the little big sister. And we're gonna go get Kuya? Kuya Tonyo. Okay. So get Kuya Tonyo. You're so heavy. My God. What did you forget? So we had to go back for her water bottle. Bye, I guess. Hello. Can I load 500? So we just dropped off my brother Tonyo at his fencing training in Cubao. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film it because I was driving. But I need to encode to Anki and get some work done. That's why we're here in Starbucks with Danny. So ayun na nga, day 3 and final day of the Hatid Sundo series. I did not get to film that much this last day except for bringing Tonyo to school and picking up Danny from her school. We just went to fencing training afterwards. Anyway, that concludes this vlog. My color grading is still a work in progress, I know, but I have to start somewhere to get good. Same goes for my vlogging skills. Nahihiya pa rin ako. And lalo na that I have a new mic, I have to hone that skill para naman sulit ang bili. If you've reached this part of the video, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude for continuing to support my work. And with that, I'll see you on the next one.